Hello and welcome to this tour of number 46 Hearn Road here in Woodley. So what we have here is a 2-bedroom semi-detached property with an extension to the rear and also parking to the front, as you can see. Very nicely presented, and let's give you a tour. So firstly, just to emphasise the frontage. Parking for at least 2 vehicles here with hedge either side of the driveway. And we've got a side access there that takes you through to the rear garden. So let's make our way through the front door. So just to let you know, this property location wise, we are pretty much central Woodley. Walking distance for sure of Woodley shopping centre for most people, that is. And also other amenities. We've got a small parade of shops literally at the bottom of the road. Bus services very close by. And yeah, all in all, a really convenient location. Presentation of this house, lovely house. As you can see already, we're in the lounge here. The decorations to a really good standard. We've got double glazed sealed unit windows. We've also got gas central heating as well. So the lounge, as you can see, plenty of room for the furniture. And to my right hand side here, the staircase takes you to the first floor. There's a cupboard here on the right which has the electrics consumer unit, and the door ahead of me there takes you through to the kitchen. So with the extension on this property, the kitchen is more than a kitchen really. It's like an L-shaped kitchen diner and also family room. But before I show you the main area, I'm just going to show you to the right hand side here. The current owner has just put a sort of small stud wall here, and it creates a little study area, as you can see. There's a door here taking you to the side access, and then swinging round, there's an understairs storage cupboard there. So in addition to this little study area, we have, firstly, this is where the original kitchen would have been. So this is now a sort of family room. As you can see, we've got a settee there, and breakfast bar and an island unit, beyond which is the extension. So this is clearly a very nice kitchen dining area. Plenty of space for the dining table, as you can see. We've got French doors there to the rear garden. One of the doors is already open. Just to give you an idea of the view from the windows and from the French doors. It's quite a private aspect, as you can see. I'll show you the garden at the end of this tour. And then the kitchen itself, nice modern units with butcher's block style work surfaces, plenty of eye level units, as you can see, and the base units. You have got a built-in oven with 4-ringed gas hob. We also have an integrated dishwasher there, and quite a big recess for an American style fridge freezer. And then last but not least, as you can see, there's space for a washing machine there as well. 4-ringed gas hob with a hood above. And then one of the eye level units, just opened it up. There you go. This looks after the gas-fired boiler. Wall-mounted Valiant boiler. Let's just give you another view of this from this angle. There's the kitchen area with the dining area opening through into the additional reception room, the family area there. So really popular living style this is, the open plan, but this has really been done very nicely and has a really nice feel to it. The sort of thing that really you're only going to understand when you come to have a look at this house. So that's the ground floor. Let's make our way upstairs and I'll show you the first floor landing, which has a side window. There's that window there, look, double glazed sealed unit again. I'm going to point upwards because we've got the access to the loft space just there. And then 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, both really good sized bedrooms. This is the main bedroom at the front. As you can see, really good size. If I swing around to the left slightly, you'll notice that we've got these built-in wardrobes here They're about 3 foot deep, so really good. Big sliding doors. Front aspect window. And then more storage in the corner just over there. Worth pointing out, in this room we do have an air conditioning unit. Going to be very useful on the hot days that, well, certainly today is a very hot day. So really good sized main bedroom there. It's got a nice wood laminate flooring as well, or a wood style laminate flooring I should say. And then the second bedroom, again, as you'll see straight away, we've got a double bed in here. Rear aspect window is the radiator beneath. And I'm going to step into the room, just close the door and turn around because we have another built-in wardrobe just there. Oh, and yet again, a wood effect laminated flooring. So that's the second bedroom. And then the bathroom, white suite with a panel bath. It's got a sort of tiled surround there. I'm just going to swing left and show you the shower that's over the bath, all plumbed in. The low level WC and the wash basin with a vanity cupboard under. Side window, that one. And I'm just going to point out, last but not least, we have a heated towel rail in here. So again, nice modern bathroom suite. So that's the house. Let's make our way downstairs and I'll show you the garden to finish. So as mentioned, a really nicely presented house, this one. Decoration is all to a really good standard. Floorings are really nice. Not quite sure if I did point out, by the way, but I'm just going to point down because the flooring in the open plan kitchen diner family room, this is actually a real wood floor. It's not a laminated floor, it's a real wood floor, that one. So into the garden, we have a full width patio here. There you go, full width patio. Laid to lawn, all enclosed, very private at the back here. You can see just the tips of a roof of a house over the back, and a very big shed, probably more of a workshop if I'm honest with you, in the corner. And then as I point to the back of the house, you can see in the corner there's a side gate. I'm just going to step back here and show you the rear view of the house because the extension, nicely done, pitched tiled roof as you can see. And that really shows you just how big the downstairs is compared to the original house. It's much larger. Nice to see that the windows, the double glazed sealed unit windows, they've actually got the Georgian bar at the back as well. So, really nice. Okay, that just about brings us to the end of the tour of number 46 Hearn Road. If you've got any questions, please call the number on the website. My name is Gary. And if you have any, if you'd like to view the property, again, same number, and my colleague will arrange your viewing appointment for you. Thanks for watching.